Having trouble charging your iPhone? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you 4 troubleshooting tips to fix your iPhone not charging. Now let's get started. The first issue that's more common than you might think is simply that your charger isn't plugged in all the way. If you have a case on your iPhone, it might be preventing your charger from getting all the way into the charging port of your iPhone, or it might be causing the charger to not sit straight or flat. Try removing your phone case and make sure the charger is plugged in all the way. If that didn't do the trick, try using a different charging cord, USB adapter, or wall outlet. If you had your charger plugged into a computer, try using a different USB or USB-C port, or plug it into a wall outlet instead. Your phone will typically charge faster when plugged into a wall outlet than into a computer. The charger you're using could also be the wrong wattage level. A standard charger may be 5 to 10 watts, while newer chargers that support fast charging could be 18 to 25 watts. Check which wattage your device requires and ensure you're using a charger that meets those requirements. Another issue might be that your iPhone's charging port is dirty. Over time, dust and dirt can build up inside the port, which can coat the receptors inside the charging port and stop your charger from working. You can carefully clean out the inside of your iPhone's charging port with a cotton swab or a toothpick. We wouldn't recommend using anything made of metal like a paperclip because that could end up scratching or damaging the inside of the port. Ensure that your charger is clean as well. Once you've cleaned them both, try plugging your charger in again. If you think the charging port itself is the problem, try using a wireless charger if you have one to see if it can charge that way. Another thing you can try is rebooting your device. Hold down your device's lock button and volume down button until the Apple logo appears. Then wait for your device to reboot. Once it turns back on, try plugging your charger in again to see if it works. If none of these things work, your iPhone might not be charging because it's damaged. If that's the case, we'd recommend getting in touch with Apple customer support or making an appointment at an Apple Store location to get assistance with your device and any necessary repairs. Go to support.apple.com for more information. That wraps up our top tips to troubleshoot your iPhone not charging properly. Want to optimize your iPhone's battery life? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.